Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyam and I got a lot of requests from you guys to post a tutorial on the Balam Pichkari song which I posted last week. So guess what? Here I am and today I will be going to teach you Balam Pichkari. So without further ado, let's get started. So as always for any tutorial, this video is going to be mirrored, which means my right will be your right and my left will be your left. And a very important disclaimer, this dance routine particularly requires a lot of energy, so खाली पेट तो बिल्कुल भी मत करना, और जितना convenient ये दिखता है इतना convenient है नहीं. So make sure you are hydrated and you're well fed, क्योंकि ये बहुत energy जाने वाली है. So let's start with the first step. The first line is इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है, तुमने हवा में भांग मिलाया. ये फर्स्ट लाइन है. तो your first position will be your feet wide apart and you have to squat down. So I will be squatting down. However, मुझे एक पैर पे squat करना है. Like most I will be putting my torso body weight on my left knee like this. The feet are like this, but my upper body will be like this. My right hip will be little outside. While I'm going to this step, I have to jump and squat. 1 and 2 will be, you have to pull your right knee inside like this. Okay, so basically it will be like 1. What I'm doing is, I'll show it to you from the side. It is like this and you're doing 1. So your right knee goes inside like this and your hip should go a little up. ये बहुत फास्ट स्टेप है तो इतना प्रोनाउंस नहीं दिखेगा. However, like this should be your aim. So 1, 2, then what you have to do, you have to shift on your left side with both the feet together. So like this. So from a sitting position, you will be now standing and your hand goes like 1 and 2. So first the hand goes towards your head and then near your chest. So out, out. So this is 3 and 4. So the whole step being 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm also doing is, I'm doing a little jump. I'm not just doing all this 3, 4 standing. It will be a minor jump. Already. It's difficult to talk and dance. I can dance for hours, but talking, इतना मज़ा बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रहा. Irony of this line is, the line is like इतना मज़ा क्यों आ रहा, but while you will be doing it, you will actually know कि कितना मज़ा आ रहा है, because ये पूरे रूटीन का तो सबसे डिफिकल्ट स्टेप है ये वाला. So let us revise. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this 4th count, you have to take a turn. I will be turning from my left side. So I have to basically turn at the back. I'll be turning on the toe, like so. And it rhymed. I'm a poet. So 5. And your hands will go as, ये 4th step होने के बाद ये दोनों हाथ will go up like this. And after turning, you have to immediately shift your weight on your right leg like so. So 1. And your hand, which was here in the last step, it will go like 1. Once I sit, my hand will also come down. Slow motion में दिखाती हूँ. 1. So यहाँ पे होने के बाद again you have to do a thumka, but from your left leg. So like so. So the whole step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for the last 2 counts, 7, 8 में क्या करना है? You have to turn back again and your hand will go as, it will be like 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can only do twice, but I think I did thrice. Both the hands should be like this, in this fist position. Your left hand comes over it. So 1 2 3. If you look properly, I'm not shifting these positions. I'm just simply पहले इसको horizontal रखा है, then इसको horizontal रखा, and then इसको. So I'll show you the whole first 8 counts on steps. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So on words it will be like बिलीव मी, जब ये लाइन म्यूजिक भी करोगे इतना मज़ा बिल्कुल भी नहीं आएगा. इट इज़ सुपर डुपर फास्ट. लेट्स गो ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. तूने हवा में भांग मिलाया. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज आई हैव टू कम फॉरवर्ड ट्वाइस, लेफ्ट साइड, देन कम फॉरवर्ड ट्वाइस, राइट साइड, एंड देन टेक अ बॉडी रोल. इट इज़ लाइक 1 2, then I have to go in the right direction, 3 4, and the hands will be like 1 2 3 4, like you're pulling and throwing it back, pulling, throwing it back. 1 2 3 4. तूने हवा में भांग, थ्रो करने के बाद you have to take your left leg सामने. मिलाया में you have to take a body wave, ऊपर से नीचे. 1 2. Immediately after this, when your left leg is in front, your left hand goes like so, ऐसे, ये थोड़ा सा chest will be out, and then take a body wave and your right hand will go like this, ऊपर से नीचे kind of graze करना है. Okay, मिलाया. Then your right leg will come forward like so. Once they are open, you have to squat down. Yay! मरने वाले हो स्टेप में. So let me show it from the beginning, from this line. तुमने हवा में भांग में लाया. Next line. इतना नशा क्यों आ रहा है. तो क्या करना है? I did like a partner song, so you can choose whatever side you feel comfortable. So I'll just show you what I did. So I'm in the right side, like I'm facing the right side. My left leg is forward, and what I'll do is I'll bend down. Okay, and when I go up, I have to take a body wave. So it is like, get it? So what I did, 1 2. Okay, while sitting down I'm taking a body wave and then I sit. This इतना नशा फिर क्यों आ रहा हमें, you have to turn towards left. क्यों? Okay, so whenever you're taking a turn, you have to take a turn from the toe always. Your legs, like your feet should not be flat, it should be on your toe. Always turn on your toe, otherwise balance off हो जाएगा. इतना नशा. Okay, क्यों आ रहा है, बताती हूँ क्यों आ रहा है, कैसे आ रहा है. Okay, so अभी hand movement क्या करना है. Once you have turned, your hand will be like this and you are kind of grabbing things, something you're grabbing. So it is like क्यों आ रहा है. So grab and back goes behind and a lot of forward. Okay, so इतना नशा क्यों आ रहा है. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, then turn from your left. ये position के बाद turn to the left. Your left hand will be on your waist and your right hand will be like boom. So again pop. So ये जो मैं steps बता रही हूँ ना, this is called a pop. So we have to do pop twice. पहले क्यों आ रहा है, म्यूजिक में पॉप. ना नशा क्यों आ रहा है. ओके, फिर आंखों से मीठा तूने खिलाया, आंखों से मीठा तूने खिलाया में क्या करना है, right leg steps forward and your right hand goes out and you have to sway. आंखों से मीठा, पहले right left then 1 2. What I'm doing is right leg step step and your hand will be doing majority of the movement, so it is like 1 2. So आंखों से मीठा तूने खिलाया, पीछे मुड़ के अगेन पॉप 1 2 3 4. So let us revise the second line. नशा क्यों आ रहा है, आँखों से मीठा तूने खिलाया. So let's move forward to the next line. So for the next part of the song, we will be requiring a dupatta or a chunni, whatever you call it, and just place it around your neck. For the line, तेरी मलमल की कुर्ती गुलाबी हो गई, तो उसमें क्या करना है, I will be holding the end of my chunni and then doing this action. पहले on the right and then on the left. And leg is simply just step step. So 1 2, तेरी मलमल की यहाँ तक. Then कुर्ती में क्या करना है, take this ऊपर और नीचे. So you have to take the chunni first up and down. And your leg will go like 1 2 1 2. If you seen my दिल चोरी tutorial, same step जो उसका करता है ना, दिल चोरी साडा हो गया, it is the same step, however your hand is going like 1 2. And in case you haven't watched the दिल चोरी tutorial video, it is on my playlist tutorials करके, so go ahead, have a look, learn that routine as well. So yeah, going forward, the whole step is 1 2 3 4. उसके बाद once the fourth count is done, तेरी मलमल की कुर्ती गुलाबी हो गई, गुलाबी हो गई में क्या करना है, like गुलाबी हो गई. So 4 times on the count of 1 2 3 4. Right hand से 1 2 3 4. And then as soon as the chunni goes down, your left leg will go up. So it is like 1 2 ऐसे. So तेरी मलमल की कुर्ती गुलाबी हो गई. So this will be like 4 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. उसके बाद चली चाल कैसा नवाबी हो गई, क्या करना है, your right leg comes forward and left leg goes up. So what I did, 1, जैसे डांडिया में करते हैं ना 1, ऐसे वही वाला. Right leg comes forward, left leg goes up, and what your hands will do is you have to make a dab action. So your hand will be 1. Okay. जब मेरा right leg सामने है, left leg ऊपर है, उसी time my head is down. So manchaki. So after 1 2, your right hand goes up and down. Body goes left में, hand goes right में, and then sit on the right leg. Your body weight should be on the right leg. So 1 2 3 4. फिर उसके बाद 5 6 7 8 में क्या करना है, left hand goes up, right knee goes out, right hand goes up, left knee goes out, and then take your right leg, join together with the left leg, and your hand goes like ho. Yeah, so now comes the main chorus of the song, Balam Pichkari jo tune mujhe mari, and for that we won't be requiring the dupatta anymore. So what the step is, right hand goes out, left hand on your behind your head, 1 2. So unlike the previous steps where we were popping our chest, this time it will be going in. So 1 2 3 4. Right hand आगे जाएगा, 1 2 3 4. And what we did, like I had a partner with me with whom I was doing, so I did it we did it facing each other. And the step leg movement is like 1 2 3 4. So it's like jumping, front back front back front back front back. So बलम चितारी, जो तूने मुझे मारी में सिंपली राइट लेग गोज लाइक स्टेप 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 स्टेप. तो अभी तक क्या किया, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 मुझे मारी, जो तूने मुझे मारी. ये सिंपली पॉइंटिंग की, जो तूने मुझे मारी. सो 1 2 3 4. सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई. उसमें क्या करना है, यू हैव टू कम फॉरवर्ड डायगनली, 1 2. ओके, so right left, and your hand will be like right hand index finger on your right cheek and left hand goes up. So सीधी सादी छोरी में छोरी. Again chest goes in, right in left in, सीधी सादी छोरी. ये स्टेप होने के बाद राइट लेग कम्स फॉरवर्ड एंड 1 2 3 4. ये काउंट पे लेग विल बी टैपिंग एंड हैंड विल बी लाइक शराबी हो गई. सो सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई. If you look closely, I am doing 1 2. So I am like not simply doing this. I am taking my right knee बाहर से अंदर, बाहर से अंदर. So फ्रंट भी वैसा है, आउट टू इन, आउट टू इन. सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई. Okay, yeah, this is the step. So सीधी सादी छोरी शराबी हो गई. Then your right hand goes out, left hand goes up. जीन्स पहन के में भी सेम लेग मूवमेंट रहेगा. जीन्स पहन के. जो तूने मारा ठुमका में क्या करना है, you have to take your right hand, scoop it from inside and turn. So what I did is again, हाँ जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ठुमका. तो क्या करना है, ठुमका. लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी हो गई इज द मूवी स्टेप. लट्टू पड़ोसन. तो क्या करना है, स्टेप, देन योर लेफ्ट लेग गोज अप, and as soon as you step the left leg your right leg goes up. So हाँ लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी हो गई, भाभी हो गई मैं भाभी हो गई. So let us revise the last portion. Yeah, so let's revise the whole step. So it was like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. इसके बाद again the chorus part repeats and there's only 2 variations. With the rest everything will remain same. So the first is balam pichkari will be same, balam pichkari. Then instead of jo तूने मुझे मारी, what we are going to do is right hand cross, left hand cross, and then take a turn. And again this we have to do it facing our partner. If you don't have a partner, just do it facing the audience. So जो तूने मुझे Hurry. Take a turn and then just drop your hands. Then सीधी सादी छोड़ी शराबी हो गई. Then jeans पहन के मैं instead of this you have to do 1 2 3 4. So step 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 and your hand will be like jeans पहन के. Then जो तूने मारा ठुमका is again same. तूने मारा ठुमका तो पड़ोसन की हो गई. ये tutorial done. Let me know कितना weight loss हुआ ये डांस करके because it is super duper energetic. So the main video of the song I've linked it on the top right. You can just click on it and watch the whole routine. And of course, if you like this video and if you want any more of tutorials for me to do for you guys, let me know it in the comment section. And guys, if you happen to perform this song anywhere or just upload it online, please tag me. My link is down below. My Instagram handle is down below. Follow me there. Let us connect. And until then, keep dancing and of course, stay tuned for more of my videos and hopefully tutorials. Until then, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Today we'll build a very important disclaimer. This dance routine particularly requires a lot of energy. So खाली पेट तो बिल्कुल भी मत करना. अच्छे से eat. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What? मैंने पूरा रिकॉर्ड किया और रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं हुआ.